Press the red subscribe button to subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notifications for our next video.
Hey guys, it's me Electro. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the problem by common electricians. You can see the fan is not seated right; it's crossed. You might think, oh, the rod is bent, all that, it's no damage, but this is something serious. I've seen this in 3-4 places. They have even done with double shackle. That's even more dangerous. So once let me lift the canopy, and you guys are gonna understand. You can see this shackle clip arrangement right here. It looks safe. Oh, it's safe and everything, but you can see how the fan is moving. It might be the tightest of the bolts, but it's also the dangerous of the things. As the fan is lower, it's sometimes there is an easy chance of the bolt going loose and the fan will dance. So if you have false ceiling, especially this is done mostly in false ceilings, because the fan is too low touching with the ceiling, that time it works. But even though if the bolt goes loose, your fan is gonna work so bad. The rods gonna just go mad and be trying to break the ceiling. It's just gonna be like the fan is on two blades. That's very dangerous, guys. It's even injurious if it falls, because there are chances in such conditions the bolts might wear out more easily. Sometimes the fans are not properly tight, just slight wobble is there that will eat away the bolts. So guys, please be safe. This is my suggestion. Please get it uninstalled. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and meet you in the next video. Goodbye.